We finished vehicle measurement and the power layout design last episode. The motor and electronic control unit have arrived. Custom batteries take longer to manufacture, so we'll showcase the core components today. These are the delivered core parts, and the entire power system will be assembled step by step based on them. The electric motor is responsible for power output, while the electronic control unit acts as the system's central hub, controlling the motor and coordinating the high voltage system. The motor and the electronic control system require parameter matching to achieve optimal performance. They cannot be paired arbitrarily. The core retrofit motor connects to the original gearbox via an adapter plate to replace the factory engine. Electric motors have a simpler structure than internal combustion engines, with no intake, exhaust, or fuel systems. We'll explain the power transmission structure during installation. The battery is custom-made to fit the pickup's body. We finalized its dimensions and layout through last episode's measurement, and will cover installation once the battery arrives. Power assembly for the pickup has officially started. Next episode, we'll test the electronic components.